1990 Toyota Celica GT Coupe. Just in, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, been with the same family for the past 20 years. This will be medium blue, light blue interior, 2.2 liter. Underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. If you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See the undersides, engine bay, interior. Probably 100 pictures or so of this car online. Riding on American Racing. Chrome wheels, radial tires. 5-speed manual transmission. Have a light blue cloth bucket seats. Center console. There is a moonroof up there also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, it's a hatchback, and you can see pictures of that trunk area at uniqueclassiccars.com. Interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, some more modern amenities. It is a 1990 classic, so not as old as a lot we deal with. See, the seats don't show a lot of wear. No rips, tears, holes that I have seen. There's your exact miles, 115, 689. Go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Aftermarket JVC stereo. Take a look at the dash. Not cracked, faded, sun-baked. This car appears to store it inside. Headliner and where that moonroof is. Flip around to the back. Guess what you'd expect to hear of a stock Toyota Celica from the early 90s. And we take a peek at that engine bay before we finish this video up. Unlatch it. Give me a second. I'll pause this. It's gonna take.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the engine bay. Electronic fuel injected. Again, 2200 or 2.2 liter. This has got a newer aluminum radiator. Purrs right along. '90 Toyota Celica GT Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.